Rolls-Royce Cullinan is without debate the most luxurious SUV on the planet. That's perhaps why the wealthy's been copping Cullinans like it's nothing over the past few years. Now you've got the G-Wagons, the Urus, Bentayga, Maybach, all fire. But the king of the jungle, top of the food chain, that's the Cullinan. It's essentially a rolling penthouse. Basically a blank canvas for celebrities to flex their lifestyle or their bad taste, you know what I'm saying? But today, we're ranking celebrity Rolls-Royce Cullinans from worst to best. And by the end of this video, you might just get ideas on how to spec out your future Cullinan too. Or at least know what not to do, feel me? Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 15, Deontay Wilder. Former WBC heavyweight champion, so naturally Deontay needed something just as intimidating on the road.
Holy, this nigga is trash.
His Cullinan was fully customized by DreamWorks Motorsports, and the entire concept was inspired by his boxing persona, the Bronze Bomber. The wrap mirrors his ring outfit. The wheels, 26-inch AG luxury wheels with floating center caps featuring his personal logo. This shit is just too busy. So for that, in this ranking, it lands at 15th place.
Well, this is the most bespoke Rolls-Royce Cullinan ever built. Like every single detail you can imagine. If you guys think that these cars are incredible, wait until you see this Cullinan.
Listen, and I know a lot of people may hate pink on cars, but listen, they did it right. I heard that it is so crazy. It's the pinkest Rolls-Royce I've ever made.
Oh God, dude. Really just okay. It's like it doesn't have enough.
For the 13th rank, it's Big Diesel himself. Now Shaq can't fit in normal cars, and he definitely can't leave cars stock. So the Cullinan was actually a solid choice for him. His favorite color is burgundy, and he's done a ton of burgundy builds over the years. So for this one, he teamed up with
our West Coast custom
to create a one-of-one Superman Cullinan. It features a soft Mansory body kit, burgundy paint, Forgiato wheels. Honestly, I'm not feeling it, fam. The wheels don't work, the body kit looks awkward as hell. The only thing I kinda like is the color. But yeah, Shaq, he takes 13th rank. His Phantom is way better though, by the way. Just gotta add that. At number 12 goes to my man, Quavo. Overly trim, baby. Customized once again by DreamWorks Motorsports. Quavo's Cullinan sits on 26-inch Forgiato Drea ECL wheels with black barrels and mandarin pearl orange faces. Now you've got custom painted brakes, floating center caps, a starlight headliner, black badge grille, two-tone emblems, and full SunTech tint. The orange Forgiatos pair perfectly with the Hermes interior, and overall, this is a strong build. My only critique though, I would have deleted the chrome entirely and went full black and orange low-key. Still tough, DreamWorks did their thing. Quavo lands at 12th place. But you'll see, Odell did it better. Still with DreamWorks Motorsports, but this time, they went full orange and black. No chrome at all. Chrome delete. The paint is somewhere between electric tangerine and snooky. The wheels are massive and blacked out, but the real attention grabber, the hood ornament, yo. Instead of the Spirit of Ecstasy, Odell replaced it with a chrome figurine of the Catch. Now that's hard. The only downside is that it's too flashy for daily driving. Cracking the top 10 with Kylie Jenner. Kylie's been into Rolls-Royces forever. She's owned multiple Cullinans, but her most memorable one was the ocean-inspired blue spec with a white and wood interior. The color was stunning, and RDBLA added aftermarket wheels for the next owner once she sold it. The highlight here was the View Swing Suite, which is Rolls-Royce's fancy term for picnic seats and a tiny table that slides out of the trunk.
Nigga, get the fuck out of here.
Kind of useless in my opinion. I'd rather eat inside the car. Still, it's a beautiful spec, very Kylie. I do believe she still has her black badge Cullinan with full one-of-one pink guts, so she takes 10th spot anyways. Now let's lower the temperature and make it icy with Lil Uzi Vert. Now some people swear this should be top 3, and I get why, no lie. All white exterior, peanut butter interior, clean wheels, perfect execution by Car Effects. But the open rear end, man, that just kills it for me, man. If it was like the Maybach G650 Landaulet where you can close the top, cool. But this, what happens when it rains, man?
Oh God, they try to drown me in this hole. I cannot see. A nigga, goddamn.
You know what I'm saying? The leather just gets cooked. I mean, I respect that Uzi wanted something nobody else had, but practicality matters at least a little bit, man. Not for Uzi though, I get it. Fire spec, flawed idea in my opinion. Now Uzi lands at 9th rank. But it gets better at 8th with Key Glock. Glock used to run everything in yellow during his yellow tape era. But now, he switched to Mystique Chrome, a flip-flop chameleon purple that changes with the light. This Cullinan is lowered, sitting on 24-inch HRE L109M wheels from Butler Tires and Wheels. This build is absolutely fresh. It's modern, it's unique. This joint right here is pure fire. Catch the Cully and Glock's Money Habits music video, you feel me? Glockavelli goes to 8th spot. DJ from Netherlands, Tiesto is behind some of today's biggest hits. And for someone like him, sound is everything. If you didn't know, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan comes with a top-tier bespoke audio system, 18 speakers, and a 1300-watt amp that delivers an insanely immersive listening experience. To match that energy on the outside, Tiesto took his Cullinan to Mansory for a full wide-body kit. You really can't go wrong with all black. Aggressive fender extensions, a full chrome delete, and subtle forged carbon accents. Inside, Mansory details show up on the tread plates with a one-of-one inscripted and Tiesto's signature, while the entire cabin is wrapped in high-end orange leather. 7th place for Tiesto. 6th spot is for 6 God. Simple as that, twin. Drake's Cullinan is either art or an absolute eyesore, depending on who you ask. Customized by Mansory and then sent to Chrome Hearts, this build took over a year to complete.
Damn.
The Spirit of Ecstasy, you know, the little lady on the hood, was replaced with 3 crosses. The wheels feature Chrome Heart logos and literally spell out "fuck you" in Gothic script.
What do you say fuck me for?
Inside, quilted leather everywhere. Chrome crosses, fleur-de-lis, silver accents, everything except the Starlight headliner was redone. Personally, I see Playboy Cardi driving this more than I see Drake driving it. But hey, it's still fire, and Drake goes 6th spot. So let's get spaced out a little bit right now with my man LaMelo Ball. For the top 5, LaMelo's Cullinan has gone through different seasons. It started as an all-black wide-body tank from Champion Motoring. Red accents inside and out. But Melo wasn't done though. First, he wrapped it matte dark purple. Then realized that it was overkill, and he went matte black. Still not enough attention though, so he went full alien mode with this lava dark orange matte wrap. I'm not gonna lie, yo, this final look fits Melo perfectly. Out of the ordinary, one-on-one vibes with the Mansory kick to finish it off. 5th place for this joint right here. For the 4th spot, we've got the most daily drivable Cullinan on the list. Now, if that's your goal with a Cullinan, now this might be a look you can consider on yours. Nardo gray paint, 24-inch Asante forged wheels color match perfectly, flawless wide body kit, dark blue leather interior. Commissioned by Unique Rides, costing Joe around $750,000.
I'm not getting enough money. I gotta get more money.
Now this is great joggers energy, the most cozy Cully on the list for sure. Cozy, clean, and classy, yo. The 3 C's right there. Sometimes less is more, you know? Gray, black, white, always look good. Fat Joe deserves 4th rank for sure with this beauty right here. American football cornerback for the Pittsburgh Steelers, Jalen Ramsey, really understands how to build a Cullinan that fits his personality. Now, he originally teamed up with RDB LA and went for a matte army green spec, matching the paint with massive 26-inch wheels for a clean, military-inspired look. That version alone could have made the list. A few months later, he went back and completely transformed the truck with the full 1016 Industries wide-body kit, switching things up with a two-tone Panda look and brand new custom wheels. Now, not many people can pull off two completely different looks on the same Cullinan and have both of them hit. But that's why Jalen comfortably takes the 3rd spot. Coming in at number 2 is rapper junk food lover Lil Yachty and his Cullinan that's just ridiculously smooth. He took the Black Badge Cullinan to Roadshow International and went all in on a full Nutella themed build. Yeah, like the legendary sweet and hazelnut and cocoa spread that we put on all types of shit, you feel me?
We hungry. We hungry.
Now we're talking a complete brown wrap, including the door jambs with matching wheels, brake calipers, grille logos, and even a matching Spirit of Ecstasy. Everything is chocolate. Inside, the cabin balances it out perfectly. It's creative, it's clean, and it's executed at super high level. One of the most original Cullinans ever, and an easy 2nd place for us.
It does feel like a spy layer. Like, wait till we get inside. And then you got the whip here too. We gotta talk about this.
Oh, man. That's cool.
At number 1, there's no surprises here. Travis Scott. Now, first off, yo, he didn't just grab any Cullinan. He went with the Series 2, which already takes the SUV to a whole nother level. With full updated tech, a full-width glass dashboard, illuminated grille, and more futuristic interior materials. When Travis turned it all the way up,
shit's crazy.
with a full Mansory build. We're talking matte white paint, forged carbon on the hood, skirts and accents, insane Mansory wheels, and lime green details on the Spirit of Ecstasy wheels and the trim, yo.
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah.
The interior matches perfectly with the lime green and black theme. It's fresh, it's clean, it's aggressive, ominous, balanced. Travis Scott has the cleanest Cullinan in the game. 1st place.
Yeah.
This list wasn't really about celebrities, man. It's more about helping you define your own vision. A Rolls-Royce Cullinan is a blank canvas. Some people overdo it, some people keep it timeless, but every single one of them builds started in the exact same way, with someone bold enough to imagine what their vision of the ultimate SUV should look like. Take notes, because one day when it's your turn to spec a Cullinan, you'll remember when you watched this video and said to yourself that one day it'll be yours. Let me know in the comments who you think had the best Cullinan and who got robbed, and how you would spec out your joint when the time comes for you to cop one of your own. And fam, remember, never be afraid to make it yours. I'll catch y'all in the next one, alright? And as always, drive safe.